Hello, my name is Mark and welcome to my channel. A few days ago, I received a present, a gift for my little baby girl, and let me show it to you. It's right over here. Wow, let's check it out. It's a Converse shoes right over here. See that? It says, "For your baby Aurora, welcome to the world, and love from Momo, Hua, and Sasa." Thank you very much. Thank you, Momoko. Thank you, Ahua. Thank you, Sasa. Okay, now let's check out these shoes. Wow, this is so cute and nice. Look at this. It's just almost the size of my hand palm. It's so cute. See that? Nice shoes. For some of you who know me, I am a big fan of Initial-D. And my favorite car in the manga is AE86. It has two pops up headlight up there. Okay, and then one of the most famous icon, which is this Fujiwara tofu shop right here. See that? So this is made from auto art. Not just only this, I have also a medium size AE86 right over here. Okay, now the original paint doesn't look like this, so I actually repaint myself, and the black color line here, and also the front bumper I also repaint it to the Zenki look. Okay, so if I pop up the headlights, okay, you can see at the side here, they are all repainted black color. Okay, inside there's not much different. Okay, just at this area I just repainted black so that it looks more like the real original car. So the auto art size, the medium size, and also I have the small size AE86, 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 AE86. Oh my god! Wow! Okay, so I'm gonna put this aside here like this, alright? And also this here like this, and like this. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna do for this video. I'm gonna paint these shoes into something like this. To begin with, I'm gonna use some brush and also some paint. Okay, of course I'm not gonna paint these shoes on this plain table like this. It will dirty my table, so I'm gonna paint it on my cutting board. Oh, and let me show you something to you. This is my customized paint cutting board. It's black and white color. Okay, and this words here, Markumi. As you can see, the font, this font is the AE86 Terreno, the little words that sticks behind at the back of the AE86. You can see this in my Instagram or my Facebook. Okay, so I'm gonna do all my painting on this custom paint cutting board. Okay, let me just rearrange all my things here. Okay, woo, here and here. Let's begin. Okay, as you can see, I have used the cloth tape just to tape all this around, because I want this area to be a bit bolder, especially the black line. Because if you see from this, the line here, it's a bit bolder. It's somewhere same as the white line over here. Okay, and the bottom here, it's all black color. So I'm gonna do the same. So I'm gonna paint the black line here a bit thicker, and then I'll just leave the white color, leave it there on, and then later on I'll just paint the bottom here all black. Okay, and the paint that I'm using, it's called the Martha Steel Art Craft Satin black color. Okay, always remember to check it first before we use it. And I'm gonna use a very tiny brush. Okay, if you guys can see, this is a very small little brush. Okay, it's perfect enough for us to just brush this area here like this. Okay, and here we go. Alright, the black line is done, so I'm gonna peel off this bottom tape and see how does it look like. Wow, perfectly done. Whoa, not bad. So the next step right now is I'm gonna paint this bottom part here. So now, as you can see, the shoes here, there's some patterns, right? And the best way is just use them like, you know, something sharp or something hard, just scratch around and make sure that this tape will be able to stick the place properly, just like so. And after that, when you paint, the line will be very straight. Okay, so after the paint is dry, I just peel off the tape. But one tip is when you peel off the tape, you're gonna peel off very carefully and very slowly. You don't want to destroy the paint, otherwise it will turn up something like this. You see? Some part of the paint just accidentally peeled off. But don't worry, we can still use the brush to touch up a little bit at the end, so not to worry. I want to leave this the Converse All-Star logo at the back here. Okay, I don't want to paint them because from far this look like the car plate number, but when you come close, it's actually a Converse All-Star. Kind of match really well, isn't it? Alright, now let's continue to paint the other part, and here we go. Wow, not bad. Okay, I'm gonna come real close for you guys to see, you know, the line. Oh my gosh. And I believe you guys can do this too. Alright, you just need to take some effort be patient when you paint it. And now you can see the shoes is halfway done now. The only thing that is left right now is the words over here. Fujiwara tofu shop. Okay. Now this is very tricky because to paint it on the shoes that this small, it's gonna be very difficult. So don't worry. Let me give you a tips of how to paint this. But before I show you the tips, please subscribe to my channel and also give a like and also click on the bell at the side so that every time when I have a new video and it will notifies you. Okay, now here comes the tips how to paint the words on these shoes over here. Now I have actually printed myself 2 pieces of paper like this. Okay, see, it is Fujiwara tofu shop, but this word here is actually printed the back side like this. Now this is the actual words facing this side, but why am I printing facing this side? Because I'm going to print this onto the shoes over here. The tips of how to print this is just very simple. By using a pencil and you're gonna just color the line. Now there's a reason why I printed in orange color, because the pencil is black color. Alright, the pencil is black and the words is orange. So when you color the words, you can see that the part that you color so that you won't left out any parts that you didn't color. Now this is a 4B pencil. You can use like 7B or maybe some other pencil that is darker. 2B it's also okay, but later on when you print on the shoes, it's not gonna be so visible as this 4B pencil. Believe me. When you use the pencil to color, and the word will turn black. And later on, when we put it over here, and we just use the pencil and just simply scratch it this way, and the words will print it on the shoes. Okay, as you can see, I've used the pencil to draw the words. Right now, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put 2 tape, one here and one here, and we're gonna stick it over here and use the pencil and just scratch. Now let's see the result. Aha! You can see the words has already printed on the shoes like this. So this will be my guideline later on when I just write the words and then the shoe is done. Now you must be wondering, by using the brush to paint these words, it's going to be very difficult because sometimes the brush will be very soft, especially when you dip into the paint and then the brush is wet. So I got another solution for you. So what we're gonna use is we're gonna use a toothpick. Now some of you might never experience this before by using a toothpick to paint. Sounds weird, right? But somehow it actually works. Just let me show you. Ta-da! See? By using toothpick, and I can just write all these tiny little words. Not bad, right? Okay, my little Fujiwara tofu shop shoes for my little baby girl is done. I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button at the side so that the next time when I have a new video and it will notifies you. Please subscribe, like my channel, and I see you next time.